guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be talking all about empty calories. So before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get into it. So nutrients are the components of food that we need in order to survive. So there are 6 different essential nutrients that we need: carbs, proteins, fat, vitamins, minerals, and, drumroll please, water. When it comes to empty calories in our diet, they come from 2 main sources. Number 1, anything with a lot of sugars and sweeteners, and number 2, anything with a lot of fats and oils. Proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats work to fuel our bodies. Empty calories are eaten more for our own enjoyment, not really for any nutritional benefit. Empty calories do contribute to your total caloric intake, so they do count, but when it comes to nutritional value, it's really not there. Another way you can look at this is nutrient-dense foods provide more nutrients than calories, while empty calories provide more calories than they do nutrients, and that's not what we want. A high intake of these empty calories may in fact cause weight gain, especially if you're consuming more than the recommended amount. So I have right here, according to the USDA, the daily recommended intake of empty calories by age and gender are: girls 14 to 18 years old, their daily calorie needs if they're inactive are 1,800 calories. Now the daily limit for empty calories is only 160 out of those 1,800. So boys 14 to 18 years old, their daily calorie needs are 2,200, and their daily limit is 265 calories for empty calories. For women 19 to 30 years old, their daily calorie needs are 2,000 calories, and you can only have a limit of 260 calories being empty. For men 19 to 30 years old, your daily calorie needs are 2,400, and only 330 of those can be empty. For women 31 to 50 years old, your daily calorie needs are 1,800 calories, and only 160 of those should be empty. And for men 31 to 50 years old, 2,200 calories are your daily calorie needs, and only 265 of those should be empty. Now these empty calories that I'm talking about should be extra calories that are consumed only after you've already consumed your recommended intake of all your other nutrients and food groups throughout the day. If you're looking for more sustained energy and health benefits, then you really want to make sure you're getting the bulk of your calories from fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole foods first. Some examples of empty calories that are high in sugar are, of course, soda, sweetened sugary beverages, your specialty coffees from like Starbucks, your specialty teas, pastries, muffins, cookies, cakes, ice cream, frozen yogurt, and ones that we forget a lot of the times are our condiments, so syrups or sauces or ketchup. Those are actually really high in sugar. So let's get into fats and oils. So yes, some fats and oils contain vitamins that are essential for everyday life. They have essential fatty acids such as your omega-3s or your monounsaturated fatty acids. But foods that are very high in these fats and oils, those are the culprits, and that's what you want to stay away from. So some examples of empty calorie foods that contain a ton of fat and oil are, of course, anything deep fried. So that's going to be your French fries, your potato chips, things like that. Now, other things that are highly processed with a lot of preservatives and salt, so things like microwave popcorn or frozen snacks like Hot Pockets, pizza rolls, those kinds of things. Fast food is of course a major culprit. And finally, foods drenched in high-fat sauces such as mayonnaise and things like that. If you really want to shock yourself, look at the back of a mayonnaise bottle and check out the ingredient list. You're gonna be surprised. You're literally eating like a tub of fat. It's pretty gross when you think about it. Bottom line, when it comes to empty calorie foods, it's all about moderation. Everything in moderation. Have that slice of cake. Have whatever it is you want. But don't have cake instead of breakfast. don't overdo it. Make sure that before you're eating these empty calorie foods, you are getting your nutrients from other foods throughout the day. That's all I have for this video, you guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below any of your feedback. I'd really appreciate it. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes, make sure to head over to the description box and click the link in my bio to join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.